so welcome back to Hackers Colony once again, and this is Azhar. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to recover a lost Facebook account password, or in case if you have a Facebook account for which you don't have a recovery email or phone number and you want to find the password. So in this video I'm going to show you how to recover a Facebook account password in a very easiest way. So guys, what you need to do, simply follow the video from start to end. And guys, if you're visiting the channel for the first time, guys, do support us, like, subscribe and click on bell icon for more interesting videos. So let's get started. Alright guys, so first of all, you need to open up Termux. And guys, if you don't know what is Termux, I have given the proper video on what is Termux and how it works in the description. So kindly check the description for further information on Termux. Now once you open Termux, type the first command, that is apt update and an apt upgrade, and hit on enter. Once you type this command and hit on enter, it can update all the repo and packages in your Termux. Now once it is done, go for the next command, that is pkg install git, git, and then hit on enter. Now once this is done, you have to go for the next one, that's pkg install python, and hit on enter. Now once this is done, go for the next one, that's pkg install python 3, hit on enter. After this, you have to git clone. So guys, making sure while typing git, many people make mistakes. So making sure you're typing the letters in lowercase. Git, give a space, then type clone, give a space, and then paste the link. So I've given this link in the description. Kindly check in the description. If you have any problem getting the link or executing the link, you can comment or you can join our group. I've given my WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook link in the description. You can join from there and we'll be more than happy to help you. Then paste the link, hit on enter. Now it will start cloning in your Termux. Then type ls, then type cd, and then you can type root x fb, then hit on enter. After that, type ls, then type pip install. You have to type the next one, that is a python. Python 3. Then give a hyphen, then type m, then pip install request, then hit on enter. And guys, the request should be ending with s. Okay, now go for the next command, python 3 pip install bs4, then hit on enter. Now once this is done, go for the next command, that is python 3 pip install mechanism, then hit on enter. Now after typing this command, it's gonna take maybe a minute or two, depending on the internet connection. So you should have some patience. Okay. Then once this is done, type ls. Now you have to type the last command, that is python 3, give a space, and then you can directly copy from here, root xfp.py, and then paste over here and hit enter. Now once you hit enter, guys, just want to let you know, this tool is not free. Okay, this tool is not free, but if you want to use this tool for free, what you need to do, guys, you can, once you run the last command, you will be able to see a message over here. This tool is for free for our subscribers only. So to use this tool, you need to subscribe our channel. So once you see this message, it will automatically redirect you to our YouTube channel. From here, you can click on any of our videos and then click on subscribe and click on bell icon. Making sure you're clicking on subscribe and click on bell icon. Then go back to the Termux and then you will be able to use this tool for free. And if you don't subscribe, guys, you won't be able to use this tool, okay? Because this tool is set up like this only. Now once you're done, you will be able to see select an word list. So here, if you want to use your own word list, you can type 1, like your word list, or if you want to use a custom word list that is added by me, then you can type here 2 and hit on enter. So I'm going to use custom word list. Now here you can see enter email or username. So you need to type here either your email or maybe the username of the Facebook account. That's your Facebook account username. For example, I'm typing my Facebook account username and hitting on enter. So like this, same if you type user and hit on enter, and you can see here, password not found, password not matched. So it will keep on trying all the password, and it might take maybe a minute, maybe 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, we don't know. It depends on your password, the password that you have set up for your Facebook. So you can just minimize the screen like this, come after some time and check and do check the Termux. And if you found the password, it will say password found in green color, and automatically it will stop over there. And if you don't see the password coming up, you can just minimize it and then you can sleep, come back later and check. And if you find the password, you'll be able to see over here. So you have to have some patience. It might take maybe a minute, 2, or maybe 10 minutes, maybe 1 hour, we don't know. Okay, so you have some patience. Automatically when the password is found, automatically it will stop. Okay, and they will say password and it will be in green color. So guys, that's all for now. If you found this video interesting and if this video was helpful for you guys, please do like, subscribe and click on bell icon for more interesting videos. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video guys. See you in the next video guys. Bye bye.